What do you see as the key advantages of cyber takeover compared to traditional counter-UAS methods?
I think the point about cyber is that it is incredibly precise. It's like a surgeon. The surgeon's knife being able to, first of all, detect amongst a whole load of different drone operations which is the problematic one, and then sort out very quickly, very systematically, a kind of method of a control, bringing the drone down in a safe space, which is very surgical, very precise, and is incredibly important because nowadays there's so many drones flying, especially in urban environments, which is not easy to transmit and receive information. This precision is incredibly important.
What are the main hurdles in implementing counter-UAS solutions in urban and complex settings?
So there are a lot of very difficult environments in which drone detection and mitigation solutions have to work, and the urban skyscraper environment is one of the most complex of these, simply because you've got a lot of very tall, high buildings which can deflect signals, makes things like radar, for example, acoustics, those sort of sensors quite difficult to work. However, if you have something which is as surgically precise as a cyber takedown, RF-based sensor system which can detect the connection between the drone, the problematic drone, and the signals that guide it, or the command and control system, you can actually identify the problem very quickly, even in an urban environment where there are a lot of different signals, a lot of things going on, and still sort the problem out, still take over the drone and put it into a safe space.